Hi there, I'd like to welcome everybody to the collaboration. We have two other folks that have joined in with me, and that is Kimmie, and that's Kimmie's Kitchen and More. And also joining in is Lois from Life of Lois. And I'll leave their links down below, and you can go check out their dessert or their snack that they made for 4th of July. I've had an extremely stressful week, so I am doing a very easy snack. My time is very limited right now. And this is called Patriotic Popcorn. And I'm gonna get started, and guess what? As soon as I turn the camera on, Maggie has to take the show. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, and Maggie's in her crate. I don't know what it is. I turn that camera on and boom, she wants to start right in. Okay, I'm making patriotic popcorn. And I'm gonna put all the ingredients down below. It's 10 cups of popcorn, 3 tablespoons of melted butter in a saucepan, 3 cups of mini marshmallows melted in with that, and you're gonna reserve about 1/4 of that. And we're putting some M&Ms in, and we're putting sprinkles. So here's my sprinkles here. I used this M&Ms, red, white, and blue. I bought a big honkin' bag, well actually Ray got it at Walmart. And these are what they look like. I have them in the refrigerator because it is so hot and so humid here in Maine. It's been that way for days and days. So I'm gonna pan you down and we're gonna get started before we hear some big barking going on. And before I start, I'd like to say my name is Brenda, MAINEiacGrammiesHomestead, and I'd like to thank everybody that has given me prayers this week because my aunt passed away that I was very dear with. My best friend passed away. I got the same news. I got my aunt's death in the morning and my best friend in the afternoon. And Ray's good friend Doug, his mother Helen, passed away, and she's been here many, many, many times to our 4th of July celebrations because we used to whoop it up big here with fireworks and games and go-karting and food all day. So that's enough of that. I want to say thank you to everybody and happy 4th in case you don't see me or you don't hear me between now and the 4th, but I hope to be back doing some videos tomorrow. So I'm going to pan you down and let's get started. Okay, here we are with some popcorn. I got the popcorn at the Dollar Tree. I thought I kept the box. The first bag, it burnt. I'm gonna be honest with you because I went according to directions and I should not have. I won't do that again, but that's okay. And I was 1 cup short, so I had some buttered popcorn and I mixed 1 cup of buttered in, but I think it will be fine. So we've got the 10 cups of popcorn, we got the melted butter and the marshmallows right in here. This is what it's gonna look like, nice and creamy. And we're gonna stir the marshmallow melted really well, and then we're gonna pour, about 3/4 of it in. I'm gonna leave about that much. And then it says you wanna mix it up. Excuse me, you want to mix it up really well. Just like this, got a few little stragglers here. And then you want to pour it onto a cookie sheet, which I've got right here. Probably be easier to mix it up a little better on the cookie sheet. Excuse me, sorry. Just gonna mix it up here. A little dab will do ya. See, you can see some of it sticking right there. And then we're gonna pour the rest of this on top. And as we pour it on top, we're gonna put the M&Ms and the sprinkles. Again, I had to have something really simple for this week, just because. My plate has been very, very full, emotionally and physically. Got some gloves on here. Maybe mix it up a little better with my hands. There. I don't want that sticking to my fingers. Oh yeah, she's gooey, all right. Oh yeah. That's all right. You can see it's working. Look at that. Look at that. Now, Ray's like, well, what about me? And I said, well, you can have some as long as you take the M&Ms out. And also, if you want to make this go further, you can put pretzels in. And I'll show you the pretzels that they recommended. They recommended these. But I'm not going to put them in right now, and I may not put them in. So what we're going to do, excuse my reach here, should have put it on the other side. We're going to sprinkle this like this. Just like this. Doesn't that make it look pretty? And I'm going to put a few more extra marshmallows in to give it that white look. Plus, who doesn't like marshmallows? We all like marshmallows. Well, I do. I can't say we all. Yeah, you probably could hear me a little bit better because the air conditioner just shut off. We've got three, so we have we have 3 air conditioners going right now in the house. We still got this melted, which is good. And I'm just gonna kind of go like this. Try to get it so there's a little bit of everywhere. Just like this. What's everybody doing for the 4th of July? We're not real sure. We've been invited out, and the person that invited me, you know who you are. I thank you. And we still don't know. We still may come. I don't know, but we won't be able to stay for the fireworks because I have seizures and I cannot be around the bright lights. Or if I am, I just have to look away. Just like this. Yum. I always like to put a little extra of something. I like to always reserve some yummy candies or whatever topping I'm using. Doesn't matter whatever I'm doing. Feel like I'm scraping the bowl here. Well, I am scraping the bowl. Just like this. And I think it's probably going to take a few minutes to set up. So it'll be nice and hard. Okay, there's that. And then we're gonna put the sprinkles on. Okay, we're gonna try this over again. Look how well this came out. I ran out of phone space and got it all fixed up now. Doesn't that look really, really yummy? So I'd like to thank Lois and Kimmie for joining in on this collaboration, and I will put their links down below, and the recipe will be down below in the description box. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. And you can hear Maggie. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.